Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you have been watching, wondering how to subscribe, don't know how to subscribe, should I subscribe? Yes, you should. Mr. Belle got some good recipes out there, but that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today, I'll be doing something different in the Power XL today. I will be using the Power XL today. Today, I'll be baking some salmon. I have a light gravy over it. In my gravy, I have some spinach I chopped up nice and good. As you see, the leaves was nice and good and everything. I just chopped them up and everything because that will be going in my gravy over the salmon. So today, my ingredients is I'll be using a little olive oil. I'll be using some flour. I'll be using some lemon. And also I'll be using some seasoned salt, garlic salt, black pepper. And also I'll be using some garlic Parmesan. And also I'll be using some lemon pepper. I chopped up some onions and I chopped up some garlic and my spinach. So we'll be doing all this together, Mr. Belle. Hope you enjoyed the video today. I'll be moving some of this out to wait so we could get started. Okay, I'm gonna set this on bake. And I'm gonna set the temperature for 375. Set it for 375, and I'm gonna set the minutes for 45 minutes. You can always add time, but you can't take time away. So I'm gonna start with 45 minutes, and I'm gonna press start. As you know, it's gonna preheat and circulate. In the meantime, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go on and get this nice good salmon together. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just rub it with a little olive oil. Just pour a little on there and just rub it up all real good and everything back and front so it don't stick. Because sometimes it sticks. So I'm gonna just use my hands to just rub it up nice and good and everything. As you see, I cut all the bones out of it and everything. So I'm gonna just flip it just like this. Like that. And I'm gonna put some seasoning on it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put a little seasoning on it just like this. Like that and everything. Not too much, but just enough to get it nice and good. Little black pepper. Just put it on just like that. So it'll be nice and good. This right here is gonna be very tasty. This is my first time making a dish like this. I was in the kitchen one day and it just came on my mind. I said, I'm gonna try it. Put that like that. Get a little lemon and just squeeze that lemon all over it like that. Okay, but I'm gonna let it sit until it say add food. Okay, it say add food, so I'm gonna raise this top up. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna sit it in just like this. Sit that one in just like that. And I'm gonna pick this up and put it in. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the top down, let it bake for a little while. It's been a couple minutes and everything. We're gonna take a sneak peek at it and everything. As you see, it's coming out real nice and good. I like the color of it and everything. The seasoning on it, it looks just right and everything. I'm gonna let it finish. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out and everything that look good. So when I have my gravy and everything, it'll be nice and good. We're gonna take this out. Look like it's nice and done. Looking good and everything. Just sit it right on this plate like this. This other one out. Looking nice and good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get it ready. I'm gonna get it ready to make my gravy. Okay, I'm gonna set this on saute, get it ready for my little gravy for the salmon. So I'm gonna set it on saute, and I'm gonna set the temperature for 365. And I'm gonna set the minutes. I'm gonna set it for 1 hour and 10 minutes. I might not use it all, but that's what I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna press start. I'm gonna let it get hot and I'm gonna put everything in. I'm gonna just pour a little vegetable oil in here like this. Just a little, that's just enough to saute my onions and everything. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put my garlic in there. Just break all that in there. Put my onions in there. And I'm gonna just stir that up. Just like that. Just let it get just a little brown. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just add some of my flour in there. Tablespoon this flour, and I'm gonna just mix it up. Like this. Just mix it up. It's gonna be a real light gravy, so I don't want it to get too brown. So I'm gonna just do it just like this, make it nice and good. This right here is gonna be delicious. I put 2 tablespoons of flour in this cup right here with some water. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna mix it up and everything, and I'm gonna pour it right in there. That should get it nice, good, and thicken up. Like that. Just like that. And I'm gonna stir it up. Just like that. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little salt in here, just like that. Just put a little in there. And add a little black pepper. Just like that. And I'm gonna add a little seasoning in there. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna stir that up. Just like that, get it nice and good and everything. As you see, it's getting nice, good and thick. And squeeze just a little bit lemon in there, like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my spinach in there. Just put that spinach in just like that. Put a little in. I'm gonna let that cook a couple more minutes and stir it up. Oh yeah, look at that, that's looking nice and good. Sit my fish in there now, my salmon, and just sit it in just like that. Let that cook for me. I'm gonna press cancel, and as you see, I didn't use the whole thing, only 65 minutes, press cancel. So we're gonna take this out together. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this fish out first. As you see, it's gonna break up. I'm gonna put it in a bowl, just like that. It's looking nice and good. I'm gonna take this one out, sit it in here. That's looking good. This is your salmon with a little gravy and spinach right here. Hope you liked the video. Hope you try it. You can use any kind of seasoning you want to use, but Mr. Belle used this season. I prefer the spinach and everything. This right here is going to be good over some rice. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you.